what you need to know is that functions, the concept of answering exam questions on functions is just the same. So once you pick on one, you are good to go. So when you see any inverse power negative 1, that is inverse, meaning get the function that has the f. For example, in this case, it's this function over here, and find its opposite. So we shall say a f of x is equal to 2x minus a5. Okay, this is a function we have. And where there is f of x, we substitute a y is equal to 2x minus a 5. The next thing is to make x subject of the formula, or to make x be alone. So we shall have y plus a 5 is equal to 2x. This negative 5 will cross the equal sign and it will be plus 5. We divide by 2, this 2 and the 2 will go. We shall remain with x. And this other side, we shall have y plus 5 over a 2. Just like that. So once we get this, we can even write it as x is equal to y plus a 5 over 2. So this and this are just the same. So you can see that x has appeared here. Once x appears, you write what you are asked in the question, that is f inverse over x. So once we write that, we now copy what is this side, but wherever we see y, we put x, or we substitute x. So this is what we have right now, and it's our solution for question A. All right, so we go now to the next question, which is question B. All right, so for question B, we put it here. B, we are asked to find f inverse of 2. So the first thing will be to find f of f inverse of x. So this is what we need to find. So what we're going to do here is to get to the first function, it's f, and the first function is f. It's right here. And the next function is f inverse. So meaning this function will swallow this function which is inside. So what I mean is I'm going to write a 2. Where there is x, I'll skip, and the minus 5. So you can see 2 is right here on x. I will skip, I'll put the brackets, minus a 5. Now what am I supposed to put inside here? It's this function which is inside, the f inverse. And f inverse is right here. This is f inverse. It's a x plus a 5 over a 2. So to simplify this, these 2 and the 2 will cancel. We shall remain with x plus a 5 minus a 5. Okay? Which is just equal to x. Because 5 minus 5, it's 0. So we just remain with x. And then we put back our f inverse, f inverse of x. I mean of 2, sorry, of 2. That's the question. It's of 2 here. It will just be, you get this 2 and substitute it where x is. It will just be equal to 2. And this is our solution. Lastly, question C. So for question C, they want us to find the value of x when if f of x is equal to x. So our job here would be to find f of x. Do we have f? Yes, f is right here. This is f. So let me copy the f so that we see what we're doing. So f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. This is what we've been given in the question. So you can see they've given us f of x. So what we're going to do is to write f over, or to find f of x. This one, we just write the function which is outside, which is f. We write open bracket, we leave space. Or in other words, this function is being this function inside is being swallowed by this other one. So where there is x here, we substitute this same function. So it will look like this. Okay, you simplify, you're getting a 4x minus a 10 minus a 5. 4x minus 10 minus 5, of which here it will be 4x minus a 15. Okay, so now this is f of x. They said it's equal to x. So we're going to say 4x minus 15 is equal to x. We group the like terms, that is 4x minus x is equal to 15. Because this negative 15 will cross the equal sign, it will be positive, and this will be negative. So I have 3x is equal to a 15. Divide by 3, the value of x will be equal to a 5. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Sichamba Jacob. If you really need help in mathematics, science, biology, physics, chemistry, that's science, physics, chemistry, and commerce, RE, English, and so on and so forth, this is a number that you can WhatsApp us. We'll be able to assist you. Remember, we offer online tuitions. So this is JS Learning Academy. Bye-bye.